Hi friends, this is E, the Sneaky Gardener. You ready for another cooking episode in my magic oven? If you watched, I'll put a link at the end of the video and in the subject area to the first one showing you how to use it. And this is not a product endorsement, this is something that I bought myself and paid for to make life a little easier for me right now. With it being 96, 97 degrees, I can actually cook in this instead of turning on the oven, and I don't have to get up and down. I can set the timer and cook away. And today I'm going to make catfish nuggets, and rather than going to the lake and spending all day fishing, I went to the store and bought a pound of catfish nuggets. And because the rack in the magic oven is kind of spaced widely apart, I'm not going to cut these into small hunks. I'm going to cut them into, smaller than a fillet. And then the breading I'm using, I mixed together cornmeal, little salt, little pepper for a basic breading. I just use egg and water. I don't add milk to it. And then if you want to, you can add garlic, onion powder or salt, and then a little paprika for a kick, and if you like a little bit of spice to it. But let's go in the house and get to cooking. Let's do another episode of cooking in the magic oven. I'm making catfish nuggets today. Okay, today's creation in the magic oven is catfish nuggets. I'm taking the seasoned cornbread, and the fish are in a mixture of a little bit of water and an egg. And pretty much everyone knows how to bread. Just dunk it in the breading. Okay, I put it in a single layer on the bottom rack, leaving some space for air to circulate through. There's still some left, so I'm going to put the top rack on. Okay, the top rack's filled. This is about a little over a pound of catfish nuggets, and I'm going to cook it at 450 for about 10 minutes and come back and check on it. Okay, the fork goes through, but I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Probably put these on the bottom and bottom on the, whoops, sorry, put these on the bottom and the bottom on the top, and put them on 350 and give them another 10 minutes. I've decided just to do 5 minutes at 350 degrees because they're almost done taste-wise. Looks like they're done perfectly. Yeah. The rack is kind of dirty, but I put it right into the dishwashing liquid or right into the sink, and it washed up really fast. And you should never wash the oven itself until it's cold. You can also do this recipe in your regular oven too, but with the Magic Chef, I don't have to heat up the house and I can still have baked things. But I'm going to go ahead and close for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the catfish nuggets today, and I've done a number of other videos, and I've got a puffy burger that I haven't put up yet, or maybe later if you're watching this, the puffy burger's already in the playlist for the magic oven, and you can refer to it. And I'm really starting to like this oven. I'm giving it a higher rating than I did when I first bought it. I was kind of unfulfilled expectations. I'm looking for something equal to the Jetstream oven, and the more I get to use it, the more it's starting to be easier to figure out time and temperature. So I'm giving this one right now a thumbs up, but not an equal. I'm going to go ahead and break open my Jetstream oven and see if I can fix it. So that video may be put up in the next few weeks, or that'll be put up in the next couple days unless I have to order a belt. And then we'll just finish it then. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.